Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the scan scope on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and select the settings icon. In the general section you can find the first button, the file scan, and here go to the second section, the scan scope, and here you can enable the everywhere on the device, in downloads or in the selected folders, and just select the specified desired search area for books and documents on your device. Just click to the square icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.